This wasn't the plan.
I didn't know what came next.
It all started with a Nintendo Wii, and it inspired me to start something new.
When the war began, everything changed, including my dream of becoming a pilot. In Ukraine, I studied aircraft operations. When my mom and I fled to Croatia, I worked at an airport as a gate and ticket agent, and it opened my eyes. I don't need to be in the cockpit to belong in aviation. I just needed to be near planes. Eventually, me and my mom came to Canada to reunite with my sister and build a new life. I made the decision to become a licensed aircraft maintenance engineer. Every new skill feels like I'm getting a piece of my future back.
This all started because my uncle gave me his old Nintendo Wii. I got obsessed with these custom Mario Kart tracks. I failed more times than I could count, and one day, I finally got it to work. That spark just never went away. It motivated me to build my own gaming PC and research college programs in computer networking. When you love what you're building, it never feels like work.
My brother believed in me before I believed in myself. When the pandemic hit, my hours got cut from my job. Then I lost my grandfather. I was grieving and financially unstable. My brother kept saying, try massage therapy. I wasn't sure, but I took the leap. And I found something I genuinely love. I'm the first in my family to do this.
Half of learning is just trying.
I work 2 part-time jobs, but everyone starts somewhere. What matters is choosing to begin.
My decision to come to Mohawk College has been life-changing.
It gave me the skills and connections to create the future I want.
This is hard work, but every day I'm moving forward, and what I'm building is mine. So what are you building?